Hello everybody, today we are at Minter Field in Southern California at the Minter Field Air Museum. Actually, it's right on the airport, side of the road, little attraction that has some treasures that you've actually got to come and see. It is, like I said, it's a small museum, but it is a treasure trove of interesting artifacts of aviation history for the United States. If you're a model maker, there are some exquisite, I mean a lot of exquisite examples of aircraft models here in the museum. They have some artifacts and photos of the first U-2 airplanes that rolled out of here near the museum in Oildale, California. They have one of the very first simulators that the United States military used specifically to teach pilots to fly at night. I mean, it's got the control system from the operator. It has a plotter to plot the pilot's course. And it's all driven by vacuum tubes. And it works. It's amazing. You got to come see it. They have other things going back to World War I. There is, I think, one of the more remarkable things is they have a copy of a soldier's diary. He was a medic in the war, and a local gentleman. And it is a window into World War I that just about all of us that we had grandfathers that was fighting that war. It is a window into that can only be transcribed by words from someone that was there. And it is heart-wrenching at times, it is joyful at times, but it's a 1 month snapshot of this one soldier that was in World War I. You should just come here just to read that book. It's amazing. They have memorabilia from both theaters during World War II, artifacts from the Japanese and from the Nazis. Of all the collection here that spoke to me the most was they've got an old airplane tug, a little airport tug here that survived Pearl Harbor on the field in the mess. If you guys know anything about aircraft tugs, you know they're very, very, very heavy. I mean, the fenders are just solid iron, this thick. And if there's anything that can survive the Armageddon that was Pearl Harbor, it was this little tug, and they've got it right here, restored in the museum. These are some pictures of it. It's just remarkable to be in the same room with the kind of history that this artifact saw. You know, it's just those things. The history of aviation, a lot of those artifacts go by the wayside, you know, after the World War II was over. We've all seen the films of the Navy pushing warboards over the side of the aircraft carrier because they didn't need them anymore. And now those things that just speak to the history of America and the history of aviation are dwindling, and some of them are here at this museum. And that's it here from Minter Aviation Museum here in Shafter, California. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing on our channel, please subscribe. And until next time, I'll be your lab partner. Take care. Bye-bye.